And we're on. We lost money today. Okay, let's see what's on. Good morning, everybody, wherever you are. Good afternoon. Good night if you were going to sleep soon. Who knows? Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. But for me, I'm excited because we had a losing trade. It was in the red. It was minus 22%. That was like, I think it was yesterday or something like that. Then I decided to make a video, to make a stream actually. If I go on the longer time frames, you understand what I'm talking about. So I had a belief that this was the second wave that's coming from here. That means we have to wait all the way down to 22.8. Then Bitcoin started going up. Then I tried to look at the smaller time frames to see if it's actually a bunch of waves or it's just like random, and it looked to me like this bunch of waves: one, two, three, four, five. And I proved it by looking at the divergence here. Probably the MACD will be better than that. It's a little slower on RSI between the three and the five. And this was on the Fibonacci. The numbers just aligned, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay, maybe it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I was here. It was exactly here, right? So I was like, okay, before I actually close my short, let's see what's going on. So I come here and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wait till it goes to 5, then I make a sell. I sell. I think I sold here or something like that. I made a short here or something. Then I went all the way down. I stopped my short. Then I went into a long. And this is how I went from minus 22%. Now we're at 5%. But to be honest, I stopped the short at minus 10%. Now it's only plus 5. So we're still minus 5%. Once this one goes to another 5, 10%, that means I'm at zero. Anything above 10%, it means I made a profit. Okay, so what should I do now? As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3. Is this a 4? But the 5 should be higher than the 3. So that's weird. So is all of this a 4? Well, you can see two things happening here on the chart. Number one, it went to this pivot point. It couldn't break it down to the support, which is 26, around 26.8, then it jumped back. That's actually a good sign. This is actually a good sign. If I open a faster RSI, faster oscillator, you can see here higher high on the oscillator too. You cannot really tell much, but it doesn't look bearish. It doesn't look bearish to me. It doesn't look like a continuation of bearish trend. You have a low. This is actually a higher low, but this is a lower low. But between this lower low and lower low, I don't know. It's still, it doesn't look like it's a continuation of a trend. But what I'm gonna do next, okay? Uh, yeah, like I'm not seeing anything specifically here to mention what's going on. It can go down back or can go up here. Depends on what's gonna happen next. So the two scenarios, if it continues 1, 2, 3, 4, actually goes to 5, then we are definitely in up for a treat, and we should be waiting for the next target, which is the 28K. How did I come up with 28K? By the Fibonacci. It's around 0.68%. Okay. So what if it actually break that level, which is the one? This is the one. If I come here 15 minutes, will make more sense. Let's see. Because that was a consolidation. I would ignore that part. I would say 1, 2, 3. So this is the level I don't want to touch. If it goes below that, then that's it. Then I have to get the hell out of here. And it looks like it might get out of here. So should we just close that trade for now? That's another thing. Yeah, I think I might close that trade for now. Let's see. Okay. Because honestly, I'm gonna assist later. I don't have to assist now, right? I don't have to assist now, but At the moment, I'm not seeing a strong push to the uptrend. Let's see if there's any news happening or something going on. First move in America said Bitcoin. Nothing is happening here. Mines, blah, 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 more news. First move in Americas, no, arbitrage, what's in store because it secures 4% of the business decision today. That was early. That was like 5 hours ago. Bitcoin is back in action after its sharp rise on Monday, ended rather abruptly yesterday. The leading digital asset notched a 3-week high. Earlier today, Bitcoin was going for roughly 26.9 per token. That's good. And there was much up. They're talking about this move. They're not talking about what's happening here because it seemed like now. Yeah, I don't think it's an Elliott wave, to be honest. I think I should get the hell out of here and be okay with the 5%. Okay. Right. We don't have anybody online yet. Okay, maybe time is not perfect. Let me see if there's anybody on YouTube saying anything. Let's see. But I don't know, man. It doesn't look very good. And as I told you here, 1, 2, or this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's so close. Even if it was here, it would look better. But yeah, if it come here, that's a loss. I probably wouldn't be making a lot of profit. Might get out of here and enter again if it gets back to that point, right? Or maybe even enter again here if it breaks above. If it breaks above that, it will be easy to go there. I'm getting out of here. Let's just get the fuck out of here. Okay. Close. Okay. Okay, so we closed it at 5%. That's fine. Okay. And yeah, that's not bad. I want to see what's going to happen next, right? I want to see what's going to happen in the next few hours. Is it going to go down? Because I'm not getting very strong signs here, right? And I needed this to break that level, which is the 27.3. If it breaks up to 27.3, I'm going to be very confident to put a trade from 27.3 to 27.8. I'm going to be super confident if it breaks above it in the 15-minute. And let's go to 30 just to see what's going on. Yeah, the price action looks. If I remove this, it actually would be. You're going to get a little more. You couldn't break that, but if you break that, it's easy to round 27.8, 28. Yeah, around that level, 27.9, 27.8. But we want to see it happening, right? Because this can be 1, 2, 3. But see, it broke that. You cannot just ignore that wick. It's still a wick. You cannot just ignore it like that. If you say 1, 2, 3, 4, look at where's the 4? It's below the 1, so it's broken. Here it would make sense. This one got broken, son. And that was ABC. So it's either that's a continuation like that. I can see this is just bullshit in the middle and starting here. 1, 2, 3. It's so weak. 4. Well, we have to wait in the next few hours because it took me how many? It took how long? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By 2, that's 4.5 hours. So now it's 10:30 a.m. Let's just wait for the same. It might be one big candle. Who knows? But let's just wait for 3 hours or something before I come back. So I'm gonna leave the charts for now and come back in 3 hours, see what's going on. Right? You have to make decisions like that based on what's going on. You cannot just make rash decisions. But hey, we're getting back to turn the loss into a win. It's not 100% win yet. I still need 5% more to say I broke even. And we got to turn it into a big win. Let's wait and see. Okay, thank you so much, and till the next stream.